Welcome back from spring break and welcome to this week's Job with Jason. It is hard to believe it's already that time of the year. In a few short weeks, federal income tax season is upon us. So I want to take some time today, whether you're a realtor, whether you're a builder, whether you're a past client that's looking to buy a house this spring, it's super important this time of year to talk about tax returns and mortgages. It's the number one thing I see screw up mortgages in today's environment. And the sad thing is, with a lot of mortgage professionals, it happens a week before closing, okay? So let's talk about it now. So two things. When it comes to your income taxes and buying a house, that usually clients fall into two different categories. Number one, the not self-employed, and number two, the self-employed. Okay, so the not self-employed are typically easier. Sometimes we don't even need the tax returns, okay? But here's the deal. You want to make sure and look if you had employment changes. You want to see if there's been big income shifts, maybe changes in your bonus or your overtime, okay? I think there will be less problems with not self-employed clients because of the new federal tax laws. There's less itemization going on. But those income swings are very, very important. So if you have a client, let's look at the tax returns before you hit the button and make sure we're filing them the right way. Okay, so those are not self-employed. Number two, the self-employed, okay? If you hear someone that's self-employed, if you are self-employed, or if you have 90% commission, that's self-employed as well too. Or if you hear K1, that means you are a partnership in a company, you're self-employed. We need your tax returns no matter what. Banks look at whether your income is stable, increasing or decreasing. If it decreases too much, then that could throw you in for a loop of not getting a loan. So make sure you're listening and make sure you get back with the mortgage lender right away. Even if you're buying in June, July, or August, let's look at it now, right? That way we can advise you and consult you on what deductions you can take, what deductions you can't take. I had a client last week say, hey, I could take these deductions this year or next year. Doesn't matter to me, but I still need to buy a house today. So that's the type of stuff we can help you with, okay? And lastly, I know the market's shifting. I see a lot of internet stuff going on there, a lot of talk in the industry about what's going to happen. I tell you what, it's going to be a great year. At the end of the day, our clients, our realtors and builders need good, sound mortgage advice. This is a huge investment. So work with people that you trust and give us a call at 281-882-8888.